This video will teach you 3 steps on how to begin to use Gua Sha. Step 1. What is Gua Sha and where did it all begin? Gua Sha is a traditional healing technique that involves a gentle scraping of the skin with a smooth tool to decrease muscular tension and help with lymphatic drainage and also increase the blood flow. Although no one really knows, the term Gua Sha began around 3,000 years ago and was commonly used in the Egyptian, Roman and Chinese dynasties. Gua Sha is pronounced Gua Sha. Gua means to scrape and Sha means to shift stuck energy. Gua Sha goes beyond your normal skincare regime. It helps to shift stuck energy, drain lymphatic drainage, increase your blood flow, contour your face, and give your skin an overall glow with immediate results. Step 2. What is the best Gua Sha tool to use and why? Now, although there's many different varieties of tools and crystals that you can use, such as rose quartz, jade, metal, wood, and there's many different shapes in which you can use, by far, mine has to be the black obsidian. It just works fantastically on your skin. Now, the best tools to use, I'll just explain these ones here. These are all black obsidian. This is my favorite and I'll share why in a second. So this is a roller, it's a common tool and it's really good just for cruising over your skin. You know, yeah, it's really good. It doesn't do much to contour. It's more a soothe and smooth kind of thing. This one is once again black obsidian and you can see the size difference in the two of them there. But I find this too big for your face. It's fantastic and body and arms and legs. But if you look, it's too big. I've got a small face, so it does get a little bit too big for me, but it is, as I said, it's good for your other parts of your body. This I love, and I'll leave the link below if you're interested in getting one of these. But this is fantastic. It's got the exact right amount of contour for your skin, no matter what you do, whether you're doing your eyes, your forehead, your brow, your neck, your scalp, it just works fantastic and it's the best size for your face. So that's my recommendation for what the best tool is to use. Step 3, what's the best oil or serum to use? First of all, make sure that your serum is oil-based, not water or gel-based, because you need the slide to help the Gua Sha glide over your skin. Second, make sure that your serum or oil is not or does not contain olive oil or coconut oil. Why? Because they're known comedogenics, which means they are more likely to clog and enlarge your pores, which is what you don't want. I recommend the 22 Luxury Face Serum because it's got your evening primrose oil in it, which helps to balance your hormones and helps give your skin an overall even glow, helps with brown spots and balancing your hormones. The serum also contains calendula and goji berry, which are collagen boosting ingredients, and it's also a non-greasy formula, so it soaks into your skin because we use the jojoba oil in it, and that helps your skin's natural sebum. When you do start using the Gua Sha tool, there's 3 things that you need to consider when you do that. A, how many times do you use it per week? What repetitions do you use and what angle? So just to start with, just use 3 to 5 gentle strokes over your skin. Use it at an angle as well, and then just use a gentle pressure. You want it to be relaxing, not really firm for your first few times that you do it. Now, if you'd like to dive a little bit deeper into the world of Gua Sha and really master Gua Sha facial contouring for yourself, I've created a comprehensive workbook that teaches you the tips and techniques, including video tutorials to help you master the art of Gua Sha. It includes your 7-minute Deluxe facial contour, brow lift, jowl lift, your 11 lines, and a lip contour massage as well. And if you're in a hurry, I've also included my 1 minute quick fix. Plus, I'll also teach you how to sha. And this is where you get the best benefits of learning how to use the Gua Sha technique, because this is where you start to really see the contouring aspects of Gua Sha. I'll leave the link below. And don't forget, it's Gua Sha. This is the result of my 1 minute quickie and under eye Gua Sha technique. As you can see, the results are amazing. Most of all, I feel fabulous. I'll leave the link below with a special discount code for you to get my Black Obsidian Face Serum and Gua Sha Mastery Workbook.